Welcome back to Beautyistic, where smart beauty and self-care choices always come first. If flossing feels like one more thing you skip because it's awkward, uncomfortable, or just plain annoying, this one's for you. Today I'm sharing my experience with the Waterpik Power Flosser Replacement Tips FT-01, the 30-count set designed specifically for the Waterpik Power Flosser model FLA220. And before we go any further, quick reminder to subscribe and tap that bell so you never miss an honest, experience-based review like this one. These are disposable, flexible nylon flossing tips, created exclusively for the Waterpik Power Flosser, not the Waterpik Water Flosser, and that distinction matters. Each pack includes 30 tips divided into 2 cartridges, designed for daily replacement. The goal here is simple: make flossing faster, more hygienic, and easier to stay consistent with. Using these is very straightforward. The slim nylon tip slides easily between teeth without that sharp snap you sometimes get from traditional string floss. If you have tighter spaces or sensitive gums, you'll appreciate how flexible these feel. I found they integrate seamlessly into a nighttime routine, especially on days when you're tired and tempted to skip flossing altogether. The cartridge system makes switching tips quick and clean, which removes a big mental barrier for daily use. In real-world use, they do exactly what they're supposed to do. They reach between teeth efficiently, don't shred or fray, and feel gentle while still being effective. The biggest strength here is consistency. Because the tips are disposable and easy to swap, you're far more likely to floss daily. The downside is also tied to that same feature. Since these are single-use tips, you will go through them quickly, and that ongoing replacement cost is something to consider. What works well is the ease of use, the hygienic daily replacement, and the compatibility fit, as long as you're using the correct power flosser model. What may not work for everyone is that these cannot be used with water flossers, and they are model specific. If you own a different Waterpik device, these simply won't work. From a value perspective, the price makes sense if you already own the FLA220 Power Flosser and are committed to using it as intended. You're paying for convenience, hygiene, and routine compliance rather than innovation. Compared to traditional floss or reusable flossing heads, this is a higher recurring cost, but it may be justified for people who struggle to floss consistently. When compared to standard string floss or reusable interdental brushes, these tips win on convenience and speed, but lose on long-term cost efficiency. If you're disciplined with flossing already, you might not need these. If you're not, they can genuinely help build better habits. The build quality is solid for a disposable product. The nylon tips feel smooth, not flimsy, and the cartridges snap into place securely. Shelf life isn't an issue as long as they're stored properly, and performance stays consistent from first tip to last. Quick pause here. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, Waterpik has a strong reputation for clear product guidance and responsive assistance, especially when it comes to compatibility questions, which is important for items like this. If you feel the cost adds up over time, cheaper alternatives would be traditional floss or reusable floss picks, but those don't offer the same seamless experience or hygiene factor that daily disposable tips provide. So here's the honest bottom line. The Waterpik Power Flosser Replacement Tips FT-01 do exactly what they promise. They're easy, gentle, hygienic, and effective, but they're best suited for people who already own the compatible Power Flosser and value convenience over long-term savings. If you want a frictionless way to stay consistent with flossing, these make sense. If budget is your top priority, traditional options may serve you just as well. Thank you so much for watching. You'll find the purchase link in the comments or description box. And if you've used these replacement tips, drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.